The source code of FPS Creator. So I modified the game engine to my own needs. Uh, so this is how commercial. This is how this game came out. This is how this game is made using that engine. Uh, no other FPS creator games are like this because they are just very simple and limited. Um, I also use 3D Studio Max to create custom animations and models and imported it to the engine. And I also created textures using Photoshop. Another problem that I faced is that when I started creating this game, I didn't thought about I didn't thought about the people in India with the कि उनके पास कैसा कंप्यूटर उनके पास कंप्यूटर का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अच्छा नहीं होगा, ये मैंने पहले सोचा नहीं था. लेकिन आफ्टर आई बिल्ड द गेम and when the testing phase started, my friends also helped me in the testing of this game. They pointed out a lot of suggestions and bugs, and also at India Games, folks at India Games have also gave me a lot of valuable feedbacks. That is why this game is what it is now. So I learned that in India people don't have a really high computers which can handle the graphics that I previously made. So I reduced the texture quality and optimized the game to so that it can run on a vast number of computers in India. In my older games, I used to alter the game idea with what I can do easily. But in this game, I did not alter the game idea, and I worked hard on making that thing happen. That I thought that it was impossible. Like in my older games, when I thought that I will make a game with a massive truck with lots of explosions. But if I thought that the massive truck can be made, then I used to alter the idea to what I can do easily. But in this game, I worked to accomplish accomplish the idea without altering the idea. There were lots of time in the development of this game when I thought that it is impossible. Impossible to fix these bugs, but I worked really hard day and night to fix those bugs, and in the end, it delivered it came out to be pretty impressive to myself. And what I also learned from making this game, that we should never give up, and we should stick to the idea and carry out to the release. Because there are probably some games that people start developing and then launch and then lose interest in the game idea, and then leave the game where it is and not release it. So make sure that the game idea is interesting. So after months of day and night work, brainstorming with India Games folks, and weeks of testing and bug fixing, the game finally made it to the finish. I have to say to the folks at UTV India Games helped me make this game what it is now. Um, the game is partly developed in Patna, Bihar, and also in Mumbai. I created this game in my home, where electricity is a big problem. I mean, in Bihar, this electricity is a big problem, and we don't. I mean, I don't have. I'm from a poor family, so and the internet connection is slow also. So Indian Games provided me to stay and food with feedbacks and helping in the development of the game in Mumbai. They also provided me equipments which I lack and wished I had, so I can make better games. I wished like I can make. I could make. More 3D and graphic oriented games. But back when I was child, I didn't have. When I was 12, I didn't have graphic cards and those things. So I couldn't really make that in that time. My first real big game is finally published on the internet, and it is free. On projectfateh.com. I also created the trailer that you just saw. That was low quality because I lost the main video file. And so I also like doing visual effects, and using Adobe After Effects I created the trailer. The idea of the game was not to compete with other games in the market, because the game is very unique and different to do that. It is really after the game was published, it got very many reviews. Some of them are very good, and good reviews are sure make you feel good, but bad reviews are like baking a cake with the best ingredients in it and having so much shit on it. but really we should look at the feedbacks and learn from them. And then if the game is that type that you can update the game, then you can do it. But in my game, this game is complete. So the feedbacks I get is I'm learning from the feedbacks that I got in this game to make my next game more better. So game development for good cause. Today, even in Patna, my friends love to play games. Not all in the rural areas, but still there are lots of players game players in India. And gaming can reach a lot of audience, not more than TV, but sure it can send a very internal message to people better than the media. If you make a game with a message for good cause and based on the storyline, and then the player have to go through the message. I mean, the player will get the message. But in TV, lots of people just view it for entertainment, and I think that gaming can send better message to people than media. These are four of the reviews. You know that you can contact me. This is my email address, phone number for game development and visual effects. And this is my website. I'm going to create a new showreel in about a week, so it will be available on my website. And I'll also give you guys idea of what type of visual effects I can create. These are very basic. I created this tutorial in May. It is focused on VFX, so it is not gaming. I hope you like it. These are some of my, homemade. And I also want to show you guys my game that was made in PowerPoint when I was child. I made it when I was about 11 or 12. I don't like it very much